Mix coffee with oats and discover a new secret of coffee shops here in my bowl. I'll add a cup of oat flakes. I'll add water to the oats. And then I'm going to mix the oats very well with the water. Then I'm going to cover this ball here with plastic wrap. And I'm going to let it rest for wing minutes now here in my bowl. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Then I'm going to add half a cup of hot water. Then I'm going to stir to dissolve this coffee very well here in the water. Now I'm going to pass it through this sieve to drain the water from the oats. Well, I'm going to stir these oats now. I'm going to take it to the blender. Once this is done, then I'm going to add the dissolved coffee. I'm also going to add 200 ml of milk. I'm going to add ice cubes now. I'm going to cover the blender and beat it for 2 minutes. I'm going to add half a cup of brown sugar and let it beat for another minute. And look how delicious it is, folks. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.